We'll cover high-intensity interval training in this chapter because it deserves its own category. That's because it differs from any other exercise in physiology, not entirely, but you'll soon get the point, and its benefits are through the roof. HIIT, or high-intensity interval training, is the most effective method known to increase your metabolism level, but it is also very demanding. The principle is to perform aerobic and strength exercises at 95% intensity for short bursts between periods of rest. For example, 30 seconds of performance and 60 seconds of rest repeated 5 times. Such a short workout, when performed correctly, is as effective as a 5 times longer workout when performed with a steady heart rate. The problem is that most people won't ever get to the 95% intensity, and the result is moderate interval training, which is not a bad thing at all, but it doesn't have the effect that HIIT has, the afterburn effect. During a high-intensity cycle of HIIT, we severely overload our nervous system and trigger a reaction that keeps our metabolic rate at a much higher level for the next 48 hours. After one 10-minute HIIT workout, we can burn several hundred kilocalories over the next few days. Another great effect of HIIT is that it improves aerobic endurance and fitness, as well as muscle condition without a catabolic effect, meaning that unlike regular endurance training, HIIT does not cause muscle mass to fall. The one thing that makes HIIT so universal is that it can be used in almost endless combinations. It can use all types of endurance, strength, and aerobic exercises. One of the most popular HIIT protocols is Tabata, where all intervals are 20 seconds and can be combined with different exercises. Take a look at some examples in YouTube. Just type in Tabata and/or HIIT, and you'll get many different examples of HIIT workouts. Why HIIT is not for everyone? It is an extremely demanding exercise that requires the performer to be in good physical condition in all aspects and free from diseases such as coronary heart disease that could endanger their health. Most people are not used to challenging themselves with enough intensity to benefit from HIIT's effects on their metabolism, missing afterburn effect. In HIIT, special attention must be paid to technique, as a reckless technique has a higher risk of harming oneself. In conclusion, HIIT is an amazing tool to get much more done in a shorter time, but it is also taxing mentally and physically. Only start experimenting with HIIT when your aerobic performance has reached a decent level.